Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna teach you about date and time function in PHP, that how we can include or get date and time of our system in PHP. So it is a date function. We can use date function to find the date and time of our current system. So this function takes a string, is the format of the time, the format which we want to print on our web page. So here you can see that to print a date there are following words or characters: D that represents a day, M months, year, the day of the week, for example Sunday, Monday or Tuesday. Similarly, here are time functions that H for hour, I minutes, seconds, and A represents the AM or PM. So here I'm gonna write a program to display a date into the web page. So I'll write here a date function inside echo statement in different formats. So I'll write here echo statement. So let's see that. So date is concatenation operator and here will be date function. So this date function will get a format. So here is our date, month and a year. We can also print the day of the week. So we'll just write here L that will represents the day of the week. Similarly, we can use this argument that is the format of date in uppercase letters. Let's see here. So I'm gonna save this file, open this in web browser, refresh the page. Here you can see that date is 27, date is, and it is a day of the week that is represented by L character. So when we return these D and Y in capital letters, so here you can see that date is a Monday, the day is printed instead of the date, and here is a month. So when we use a capital M, so the name of the month is displayed, and when we use a capital Y, the name of the year is completely displayed. For example, here is 15 but here is 2015, so here is the day of the week, that is a Monday. So here we can also use time functions here. For example, let's see here, copy this and paste it. So here I'll change HI seconds and it will represents AM or PM. So here I'll change time is. Now I'm gonna save this file, open this in web browser, refresh the page. Here you can see that these are some date function and this is time function. Time is this is a time, and this now the time is in PM. So hopefully guys you have understood that how we can display our date in our web page. So this is an other function, time function. Let's see here. For example, this is our time variable that is equal to time. This is a time function that will return a time in milliseconds. So we will pass this time to this variable. This will also result the same. This result will also be same that was without the time variable. Now I'm going to refresh the page. Here you can see that that was a minute ago. Now you can see that these are date and time functions in PHP. So thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial.